Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will explain some more problems on Laplace transformations which are very important. Okay, in that one, first one is find Laplace transformation of the function t square minus 3t plus 2 of sin 3t. Okay, see the solution. First consider the given problem. Consider L of t square minus 3t plus 2 of sin 3t. So split the terms in the Laplace. So L of t square into sin 3t. Take this sin 3t term to inside. Minus 3t into sin 3t. Plus 2 into sin 3t. Okay. Now, by using linear property, split the terms. By using the linear property, split the terms. Because there are three terms. This is the first term and this is the second term and this is the third term. Three terms are in addition, otherwise subtraction. Whenever terms are in addition, otherwise subtraction, inside the Laplace we can easily separate them by using linear property. So first part becomes L of t square into sin 3t minus 3 is the constant term which is in product. So take outside from Laplace. So minus 3 into L of t into sin 3t. Again in the last one, 2 is constant which is in product. So take outside from the operator L. So you will get 2 into L of sin 3t. Now observe the structure of the first part. What is the form of the first part? The inside function is in the form of t power n into f of t. T power n into f of t, which is multiplication rule. So what is L of t power n into f of t form? L of t power n into f of t is nothing but minus 1 whole power n into nth derivative with respect to s of the function f of s. What is f of s here? Laplace transformation of this function. That's why you can replace it by L of f of t. We should take n times derivatives of the function L of f of t with respect to s. Use this formula here. We have n is equal to 2. By using that formula, you will get minus 1 whole square into d square by ds square of Laplace transformation of the function sin 3t. This is the first part. Minus, in the second part also, it is in the form of t power n into f of t, but n is equal to 1 in this part. Okay, so again apply this similar rule. 3 into minus 1 whole power 1 d by ds of Laplace transformation of sin 3t plus 2 into, clearly it is in the form of, the last one is in the form of sin 8. The last part is in the form of sin 8. That's why you can write as 3 by s square plus a square. A is nothing but 3. That's why you will get 9. Now minus 1 whole square is the positive term. D square by ds square of L of sin 3t is in the form of L of sin 80, which is 3 by s square plus 3 square, which is 9. Minus of minus plus, minus 1 whole power 1 is minus, so minus minus becomes positive. 3 into d by ds of L of sin 3t, it is also in the form of L of sin 80. That's why you can write as 3 by s square plus 9 plus 2 3s are 6. 6 by s square plus 9. Last part is completed. Okay. Now take the first derivative of this term. Okay. Clearly it is in the form of d by dx of 1 by x. What is the derivative of 1 by x? Minus 1 by x square. That's why first derivative becomes d by ds of minus 3 by s square plus 9 whole square. You can imagine division denominator as x into, write the internal derivative. Internal derivative for s square with respect to s is 2s. Internal derivative for the denominator is 2s, derivative for 9 is 0. Plus 3 into, write the similar derivative here also. Minus 3 by s square plus 9 whole square into internal derivative for the term s square plus 9 is 2s. Last term is similar part. 6 by s square plus 9. Okay. Now I will write here. So d by ds of minus 3 2s are minus 6s by s square plus 9 whole square. So again 3 3s are 9 plus into minus, minus 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. 18s by s square plus 9 whole square plus 6 by s square plus 9. So last but one term is also completed. Now it is enough to take another derivative in the first part. Here numerator has s terms, denominator also has s terms. So you should apply division rule in the differentiation. What is the division rule in the differentiation? Derivative of u by v is equal to denominator whole square. First write denominator whole square. Derivative for the numerator into v minus, now numerator is similar term, derivative of for the denominator uv dash. This is the division rule. According to this rule, write the derivative for the first part. So bracket open. First write denominator whole square. Already denominator has whole square, that's why s square plus 9 whole square becomes whole power 4. Now derivative for the numerator minus 6s is only minus 6, derivative of s with respect to s is 1. Now v is the similar term, s square plus 9 whole square. Don't do the derivative for denominator in the first part. Minus, now numerator is the similar part here, so minus of minus plus 6s. Already numerator is minus. In the formula we have another minus. Minus minus positive. Into derivative for the denominator. It is in the form of x square. Everybody knows that derivative of x square is 2x. That's why it becomes 2 into s square plus 9 into, write the internal derivative for s square plus 9, which is 2s. Very, very important. Okay, derivative for 9 is already 0, so 2s plus 0 is 2s minus, last two parts are similar parts, s square plus 9 whole square plus 6 by s square plus 9. Now simplify the first part. We are observing that in the numerator we have s square plus 9 whole square and 1 s square plus 9. Take one term as common. So 1 s square plus 9 getting cancelled in the denominator. So already in the denominator we have whole power 4. So one term getting cancelled from the numerator. So s square plus 9 whole cube. So minus 6 into. So there are two terms here. One term getting cancelled in the first part. So we have s square plus 9 plus 6s into 2, 12s into 2s, 24 s square minus 18s by s square plus 9 whole square plus last part is 6 by s square plus 9. Now take this negative 6 2 inside. You will get minus 6s square minus 6 into 9 minus 54 plus 24s square by s square plus 9 whole cube minus 18s by s square plus 9 whole square plus 6 by s square plus 9. This can be written as 24s square minus 6s square is 18s square minus 54 by s square plus 9 whole cube minus 18s by s square plus 9 whole square. Last part is 6 by s square plus 9. So this is the conclusion step.